After receiving the documents, you can just download it from Google Drive, press download anyway, select document, create a new folder and rename it. Press open. This is where you will save your files in. After the files have been downloaded, press open, go back to the project file that you just created, select the file and press extract all. Now, browse the folders in your computer. Click on the new folder that you just created and select folder. Now, click extract and wait for the files to be extracted. After extracting, just press the exe file. This window will pop up, but just press more info and run anyway. And then we wait for the software to load. This will be the starting screen of the software. In this software, you can just hover over and press explore. And then you can see the 360 view of the space. You can click on the arrows on the left side and explore the different views, all the views throughout the house by just double clicking on it. You can also navigate through the button at the bottom. The different triangles are different checkpoints of the house. So you can just double click it and it will bring you to the place that you want to go. You can also use the key plan at the bottom right hand corner. Same concept, you can just press on the different triangles on the map to navigate around the house. Next, we will move on to taking dimensions. So for example, if I want to take the dimensions from this point to this point, I can just click on the annotation function. To take the horizontal dimension, I click on the horizontal button and click the 2 points that I want to measure. And the dimensions will just come out like that. Before taking even more dimensions, we recommend that you clear the space first so that it would not be so messy. To take vertical dimensions, we just select the vertical dimension tool and click the 2 points that we want to measure. You can take dimensions of the door and even small details like the skirting over here.